Hello guys, welcome to the sixth tutorial of the Android app development. In the last lecture, we discussed about the linear layout, how to work on it, its orientation, insert the various widgets in it, and so on. So in this video, I would like to explain here how to make a simple UI for the login. Means a simple login page. Okay. So for that, I'll change simply the background first, and I'll keep it, and I have to choose some colors. Okay, I'll show you again how to do this. Go to here, in the app level, there is a source, main, resources. Here is the layout, our main activity, which is already open, but I have to change the colors. I'll put the color. Okay. Here I will change these colors. These are the 3 by default colors in my app, but I don't want these colors. I want to change them. So the first color that I would like to mention here is this butterfly blue. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Another color is the iceberg. Use it here. And this one I want simply white. Okay, these are the 3 colors with which I will work in this entire app. So first, here I'll go for the linear layout, and width will be say 250 dp, and its orientation will be vertical, and and in this I'll insert an image for the DP. So here I will go to the file, I'll click on new, and then there is option vector asset. I'll click on this and I can choose any icon from here. This is the inbuilt. I don't have to download anything from anywhere. I simply need to go for this folder, and there are so many icons and I can choose any of them. So currently I need a social icon. I'll go for this person. Okay, next, and finish. This icon is already imported in my Android app. Here in the drawable section, this I see person, and I want to change the color of this by the butterfly color. That is, oops, this one. Great, the color is changed, and I'll import this one in my app. Oops, sorry. Image view. I'll choose 100 dp. Height will also be 100 dp, and its source will be this person, and its layout, gravity be center, and margin top will be say 70 dp. Okay, it's here. And the next thing I need is the text view that will display the name. No, it will be wrap content. This is gonna be wrap content again, and I'll choose a text here. Say my own name, Amina Sa'eed, and margin left 100. No, gravity will be center, and its text color, I'll choose the primary dark. Fine, this is done. And then linear layout again, match parent. Inside this I need the edit text tag. It's with the match parent, and the height will be 50 dp, but I'll background will be its primary dark, and padding will be 10 dp or 20 dp. Fine. This will contain the hint, email, and its hint color will be white, that is at the rate of color accent, and yeah, same I'll copy for the password, and I'll change the hint by password, and its orientation will be vertical. Great, it's here, and margin top will be 50 dp, margin top will be 10 dp, and the last thing that I would like to mention here will be the button, match parent 50 dp, button, and its background will be white, text will be login, text color, I choose the primary dark, and the margin top will be 20 dp. Here's my simplest type of the login page, and yeah, the input type will be here, the text password. Okay, this is ready. Yeah, the one more thing, let's change the action bar. Let's run it first. Okay, yeah, it's here. My first Android app. If I can use any email here, AminaSa'eed@gmail.com. This is my email. Okay, the password will be say. Great, and I'll go for the login, but currently this button is not going to do anything because there's no code written for this button that what should happen after clicking on this button. If you want, you can just remove. This is called as the action bar, where the name of your app is mentioned. If you want, you can just remove this by going to the styles, and here instead of dark action bar you choose no action bar, and just run it again, and let's see the change. By the way, this is the emulator, that is the Android virtual device. In the next video I will explain how to download this emulator in your Android Studio. Okay, you can see here that action bar is gone. This is it for this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe my channel for the amazing contents. Goodbye. Take care.